10, 9, 8. Go for main engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0 and liftoff.
The Soviet Union stunned the world on 3rd November 1957 with the launch of Sputnik 2. On board the small satellite was a little dog, Laika, the first animal to orbit Earth. But it died within the hours of launch. So, what happened to it? And also, why did they choose female dog over the male? What was the reason behind it? Let's find out. In the early days of rocket science, no one knew what the effects of weightlessness would be. Animals, mainly dogs, monkeys and chimps, were used to test the safety and feasibility of launching a living being into space and bringing it back unharmed. Since then, animals have continued to play an important role in understanding the impact of microgravity on many biological functions. Astronauts have studied all kinds of animals. Laika was a young, mostly-Siberian husky. She was rescued from the streets of Moscow. Soviet scientists assumed that a stray dog would have already learned to endure harsh conditions of hunger and cold temperatures. Laika and 2 other dogs were trained for space travel by being kept in small cages and learning to eat a nutritious gel that would be their food in space. The dog's name was originally Kudryavka, or Little Curly, but she became known internationally as Laika, a Russian word for several breeds of dogs similar to a husky. American reporters dubbed her Mutnik as a pun on Sputnik. Unfortunately, Laika's trip into space was one way only. A re-entry strategy could not be worked out in time for the launch. It is unknown exactly how long Laika lived in orbit. Perhaps a few hours or a few days, until the power to her life support system gave out. After the launch, she died with the hours, but the exact reason was not revealed. The Soviet scientists had planned to euthanize Laika with a poison serving of food. For many years, the Soviet Union gave conflicting statements that she had died either from asphyxia, when the batteries failed, or that she had been euthanized. Many rumors circulated about the exact manner of her death. In 1999, several Russian sources reported that Laika had died when the cabin overheated on the 4th day. In October 2002, Dmitry Malchenko, one of the scientists behind the Sputnik 2 mission, revealed that Laika had died by the 4th circuit of flight from overheating. According to a paper he presented to the World Space Congress in Houston, Texas, it turned out that it was practically impossible to create a reliable temperature control system in such limited time constraints. Over 5 months later, after 2,570 orbits, Sputnik 2, including Laika's remains, disintegrated during re-entry on 14 April 1958. So this was the sad story of the space dog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.